Welcome to our channel. Using PayPal for in-store purchases is convenient and secure. Here's a quick guide to activating this feature. Step 1. Open the PayPal app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Sign into your PayPal account using your email and password. Make sure your account is in good standing with a verified payment method attached. Step 3. Tap on the Pay or Send icon, which is usually represented by a $ or similar symbol at the bottom of the app. Step 4. Look for the In-Store or Scan Pay option. This feature allows you to use PayPal at participating retailers. Step 5. Link a payment method if you haven't already. You can add a credit card, debit card, or bank account to fund your in-store purchases. Step 6. Enable location services for the PayPal app if prompted. This helps you find nearby stores that accept PayPal. Step 7. At a participating store, tell the cashier you're paying with PayPal. Show them the QR code from your app or enter your phone number and PIN at the payment terminal. Step 8. Confirm the payment on your phone when prompted. Check your PayPal app for the transaction receipt and confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.